And we use what we call the opportunity algorithm, which we introduced back in 2002 in Harvard Business Review, as a method for coming up with the degree to which each of those needs are unmet. And the purpose is really quite simple. We use a formula that we created. We said, if a need is very important, so it's high on the importance scale, and the difference between importance and satisfaction is great, then we're going to call that an unmet need. So we can mathematically conclude that anything over a 10 would suggest it's an unmet need. And then on the other side of the equation, any situation in which the satisfaction exceeds the importance, we would call that overserved. So we lay out the boundaries inside the opportunity landscape, so we can just plot them out and quickly see where the market is underserved and where the market's overserved and everything in between.